And on that very same note of respecting a place, let's talk about a place on Hawaii Island, the big island known as Waipi'o Valley. My mom told me that social media and people posting and reposting information about the valley has not only made the valley popular and people become more aware of it, but based on the information that from an article that I read, there are approximately 1,000 Mililani that visit Waipi'o Valley every single day. I didn't realize how congested it was until I went there last year. It was summertime. I went there and I was like, oh, class had so many people. And why is this a problem? My mom does occasional workshops down in the valley and brings people down to a land area that my family owns. And she tells them and shows them about the cultural aspects. And the traffic backlog and the wear and tear on the main road from up going down into the valley. You know, the visitor industry and the tours and the tour guides that's going up and down that valley every day, and just those four-wheel drive trucks that's going up and down has caused huge problems for the kama'aina that live there. I read an article that legislation is trying to come up with laws to regulate those things because of the complaints from the kama'aina who live there. And of course they have their livelihood down in the valley, and a big thing is kalo or taro, and the kama'aina that grow taro and have to haul it up to the top of the valley and deliver it, and have to use that road, that same road that is being shared with those 1,000 Mililani every day. And so let me give you a little background on Waipi'o Valley. The road going down and up, that main road, is less than a mile long. It's very old, and only four-wheel drive vehicles are supposed to, there's a big sign at the top, make their way up and down the road. And it is the steepest road in the United States. I mean, it's just like straight down like that, just that one road is just a road, and it's an old beat up road. No more pedestrian places for pedestrians to walk. But a lot of the pedestrians, when they get there, they don't have four-wheel drives, so they're like, okay, I'm just gonna walk down into the valley. So they make this trek down, and people are making their trek up and sharing the road with all these cars that are going by. And it's dangerous, let me tell you, because that's one small road. Since the road is steep and you see these Mililani walking up and down, and you see all these cars and trucks going up and down, and when it's raining, oh gosh, you guys just trust me, it can be very dangerous. And also one thing that I noticed when I went down there for the first time in 10 years, I think was last year, there's huge loads of opala. What is opala? Trash. No more rubbish truck that can, you know, the rubbish man, the rubbish truck, can I go down inside a valley? Hello. And so people just dispose of their waste, drop their opala inside the valley, and I couldn't believe it when I was in there. I saw rubbish like nobody's business. And so, you know, my na'au, my inside was very eha because of that. And so that's part of the reason why I wanted to talk to you about this. You know, it's us, the kama'aina, as well as the Mililani that come to our aina, that we need to work together to keep Hawaii beautiful. Let's keep this place beautiful. Otherwise, it's not going to be. Helu e kolu, application, kahana. One definition of kama'aina, besides locals or, you know, the people that live here for a long time, is familiar. And so for our word kama'aina, when it becomes ho'o kama'aina, and kama'aina being familiar, ho'o kama'aina means to get familiar or to become familiar. In order for you to get to know me better and become familiar, ho'o kama'aina, with me, a kama'aina of these islands, what better way than to tell you a personal story about my life. And the last thing, number 4 for today, Hawaiian proverb, helu eha. And the olelo no eau for today is olelo no eau 1447. And it's kalo, kanu, o ka'aina. And that's kalo is the taro, the plant of the land. The reason I chose this one this week is because in stories of ancient Hawaii, kalo is the elder brother of the Hawaiian race, yeah, kama'aina. and therefore that's why I chose it. And last but not least, the TPT lesson will be on ho and ho'o. So until next time, mahalo for joining me today. Aloha. Ahui ho.